it is so hard when priority number one is you need to pay the incentives to employees on time and accurately. And it's always such a rush to complete it, whether it's a monthly payout, a quarterly payout, as you're trying to incorporate all the employee movement, all the plan changes, answer all the questions. And so it always seems like you're rushing up until that very last second and oftentimes working late hours in order to get it done. When the whole process or even part of the process is manual, it is very difficult to find the time to improve the process before the next payout cycle starts, which leads to the feeling of being on this treadmill at that high speed about to fall off, as there is no time to stop and catch your breath. And what's really interesting is I see it consistently, whether at small companies or at large companies, that you see this feeling of breathlessness as you're trying to keep up.